Hey there, how's it going? So this is a video on how to use a Spark first method. So in Spark you can use a first method to get the first record of a particular column on a data frame. Say for example we have these two columns, family and member, and we want to get the first record on the member column. So say for example you want to get this record. So that is where you can apply first. You can use first in that case to get that particular record. So I'm just going to quickly show you how it's done. So we've got our df. Let me say var first equal to df dot. So what I'll do is I will write select, then I will write the column that I want to select. I will select a member column, which is member column. Then what I will do is write dot first. So that is it, and then I can print first. So if I run it, right, okay, now you can see we've got the first record of this data frame. So if I scroll back up, so you can see this is the first record, which is Stephen, Ola, Olu, and Mike. So that is what we've got in an array. So when you apply first method, it will come as an array. So to get everything in this array, you have to apply dot get string, because it comes as a string, so you have to use get string, and it's this record is in the first index, so the first index would be 0. So if you run it again, alright, so you can see we've got the array is the brackets are no longer there, so you've got just this the result that you want. So you can do the same thing for a family. So if you select family and run, so you can see we've got the first family, right, which is family 1. So that is just what this video is about. I just want to quickly show you how to use first method in Spark. So there are just a lot of blogs, just a lot of articles online on how to use different Spark transformation or action method. So but I think having a code along video is something that you can practice on your own and easily remember. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Just before I go, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and I will be uploading more video like this. So if you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. All right. Thank you again for watching, and have a lovely day. Bye.